So today I will show you how to make your social media icons open in new tab on your Shopify website. So this website and these social media pages are opening in the current tab. So I'll just show you how to do that. Just watch. So what I did is I added a simple code that is target is equal to blank and this code no opener no referrer. So I've saved it and now just refresh your website and the links are opening in new tab. Easy peasy. Do you have any other questions? You can reach me out and the links are in the description. uh, Hit the thumbs up, like, comment, share, whatever. Thank you.